To fix a Canon camera that won't turn on, there are several possible reasons to consider. Firstly, it's likely that the camera's batteries are dead. To address this, start by checking if the batteries are fully charged. Insert the batteries and attempt to turn the camera on. If it still doesn't switch on, try using the same batteries in another similar camera to determine if the issue lies with the batteries or the camera itself. If the batteries don't work in the other camera, they may be defective and should be replaced. Additionally, consider using a different or new charger if the current one is faulty. Dirty battery terminals in the camera can also interfere with the power supply during charging. The oil from skin and other dirt can prevent the camera from turning on. To resolve this, use a dry cloth to wipe the terminals clean before charging the device. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Canon camera and get it turning on again.